Well, with the Supreme Court now involved in that Sutton situation, there are even more people paying attention to the next ruling. KSFY's Nate Welch spoke with a USD law professor about why this case continues to pique his interest.
The latest developments dealing with Senator Dan Sutton and an investigation against him are catching the attention of many.
You know, I think the situation in this case is incredibly unique. I mean, it really presents an opportunity to look at the separation of powers and the interaction between the judicial branch and the legislative branch.
Roger Barron is a law professor at the University of South Dakota. He says this case is unique for a number of reasons.
Within about 48 hours, you have a hearing. You have the Senate adopting rules that are going to be applied retroactively. You have a hearing date scheduled in the Senate. You have a judge ordering the Senate not to do that, and now you have the South Dakota Supreme Court getting involved, being petitioned to determine whether or not the judge is acting within the scope of his authority. And there has never been a day in a courtroom or a hearing room on any allegation at this point in time, so it's really unusual in that sense.
Barron mentions what they call the ex post facto, which deals with possibly punishing someone for breaking a rule before the rule was created.
Making an effort to pass rules that go into effect in 2007 and then apply them retroactively. I mean,
Barron says he, along with plenty of his colleagues, are keeping a close eye on all of the developments dealing with Sutton.
Things are happening so quickly we don't even know exactly what's happening. So I think we're more in a fact-finding stage. We're waiting to see what happens, and as we see what happens, we're going to incorporate it into the classroom.
In Vermillion, Nate Welch, KSFY.
Now, Barron says while they don't talk about that in the classroom yet, the professors are having some great discussions about it.